How to install Remini on PC. So in order to install or download the Remini app into your PC, you just need to follow some simple steps. The step number one is just open up your browser and you may just search for Remini download for PC or on the Google search bar or directly on the create a new tab. So here it says type in download Remini for PC. Just search for that. After searching for it, wait for it to be loaded. And here on the very first, you can see that is the official app for downloading. That is the official app which you can download on your PC. Just tap on it and there you may find the download option. Or you may just tap on try Remini for now. Just tap on try Remini. After that, here you see this. So here, this app you can find easily on Google Play Store. So you may use Google Play Store in order to download it on your device. So just go to Google Play Store for that. After going to Play Store, you can see this install option. You may just tap on install and wait for it to be downloaded. After it is downloaded, you may use that app in order to enhance your phone photos. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.